Halo semuanya, inilah hasil konferensi pers MotoGP Malaysia 2024. Jorge Martin mengucapkan duka cita atas bencana yang terjadi di negara asalnya, Valencia, Spanyol, karena badai dan banjir. Terkait dengan balapan jelang MotoGP Malaysia 2024, Martin mengatakan adalah sebuah privilege berada di perebutan juara dunia MotoGP 2024 dengan Pecco Bagnaia. Pada dasarnya, Martin merasa percaya diri dengan performa dan kinerjanya hingga saat ini, dan akan berusaha dengan timnya untuk mengerahkan seluruh kinerja baiknya. Sementara Pecco Bagnaia menargetkan untuk lebih banyak merebut poin di sprint race dan juga main race, karena akhir pekan ini adalah balapan yang sangat penting. Selain itu, Pecco Bagnaia menyatakan dirinya memahami apa yang menjadi kesalahan dirinya dan di tim di hari Sabtu MotoGP Thailand 2024. Maka dari itu, Pecco dan tim akan memperbaiki kesalahannya di MotoGP Malaysia ini. Terkait tekanan pada perebutan titel juara dunia MotoGP 2024, Martin lebih merasa saat ini dirinya lebih dewasa dibanding tahun lalu. Tahun lalu, ketika perebutan juara dunia dengan Pecco Bagnaia, dirinya merasa sangat tertekan dan gugup. Namun, karena saat ini mentalnya lebih bagus dan bisa bersikap dewasa, Martin bisa lebih menikmati tekanan perebutan juara dunia tahun ini.
I feel is that last season I was really tense and really nervous. We did the same in Qatar, and I was really, struggling with the situation. I felt a lot of pressure, and this year for sure pressure is there. But I think I improved a lot. I'm much more mature. Yesterday I was enjoying a lot the moment. I know I can lose it, but I know I can win it. So last year I lose it and I didn't. Nothing happened to me, so it's not the end of the world. I will try my 100% to get it this season.
Sementara Pecco Bagnaia menyatakan bahwa ia senang berada di posisi tekanan saat ini. Bagnaia mengatakan di kondisi kritis saat ini tidak boleh melakukan kesalahan. Pecco Bagnaia memahami bahwa dirinya di kondisi tertekan saat ini harus tenang dan menjadi kompetitif dibanding tahun lalu.
And in terms of pressure, yes, it's always there, but it's nice to be in this situation. I love to be in this situation, and it's true that it's a critical situation for one side, because you know that you have to be fast, because you don't have to lose point, but you have to be the fastest, but you don't have to make any mistakes. And I know that in that moment Jorge is in a better situation in terms of championship, but also I was there. I was in his same situation last year, and it's where you feel that you need to be more calm and be competitive. In this situation is not very easy, but I think we have just to enjoy the moment and try to work like always.
Enea Bastian ini ditanya apakah ada pembicaraan dari Ducati soal membantu Pecco Bagnaia dalam perebutan juara dunia MotoGP melawan Jorge Martin. Enea Bastian ini mengatakan tidak ada pembicaraan, bahkan permintaan seperti itu dari Ducati. Enea Bastian ini dengan tegas bahwa dirinya juga harus memikirkan dirinya sendiri dalam balapan Malaysia maupun balapan terakhir.
Still no conversations from Ducati about helping Pecco just yet?
No. He haven't sensed this situation because from the last race I left after that from that team, and it's not important to do it, but only to think about myself.
You did reference the fact that you're leaving Ducati this year. If a call did come from Ducati on Sunday to let Pecco through or to help him, would you do it?
No. No, because it's not. I think it's not correct, and it's not correct also to be aggressive with everybody, because the situation when some rider have to fight for the title is a bit more difficult to manage a bit. But for everybody, for all the riders, it's like this. But I have to think about also myself and try to bring the third place on the championship.
Marc Marquez mengatakan bahwa Pecco Bagnaia tidak punya kesempatan lagi. Bagnaia harus menyerang Martin dan harus berani mengambil resiko. Sedangkan Martin menurut Marquez mempunyai lebih banyak keuntungan, namun Martin lebih banyak berada di belakang Pecco Bagnaia. Satu-satunya hal yang penting adalah siapa yang paling cepat. Marquez juga menyatakan dirinya hanya ingin melakukan yang terbaik untuk dirinya. Jika dia bisa meraih kemenangan di antara Pecco Bagnaia dan Jorge Martin, maka dia akan mengambil kesempatan untuk menang. Senada dengan Enea Bastian ini, Marquez juga mengaku tidak ada permintaan dari Ducati untuk melakukan tim order terhadap Pecco Bagnaia demi meraih gelar juara dunia MotoGP 2024. Marquez juga percaya bahwa Pecco juga tidak membutuhkan tim order, karena baik Pecco maupun Martin harus balapan dengan cerdas.
Pecco no chance. He need to attack. Take risk means as happened in the past. You need to recover points and you need to take extra risk. Martin have that small advantage, but enough to finish behind Pecco to don't take that extra risk. But in the end, if you want to manage the situation, you need to have speed. So let's see who is faster.
And from your point of view, racing against them, do you see it potentially as an opportunity if you're up against them because you know you've got less to lose, or do you also have to be careful because you know that they've got a lot on the line?
Yeah, I mean, as we see in Australia and in Thailand, if I can go for the victory, I will try. Obviously, I mean, you are fighting against two title contenders, and one thing is one overtake with dry conditions that more or less everything is under control, and the other thing is overtake on wet conditions that you never know if you will lose the front or not. Then you need to do your best, and yeah, if I can go for that victory, I will go. But yeah, try to do my job. Is always try to find the best.
And just finally, I have to ask you about the dreaded words team orders that often come in at this stage of a season. Have there been any conversations from Ducati about how the group of Ducati riders approach Jorge and Pecco, or have they just left you to race for yourself?
No, they just. I mean, at the moment we didn't receive any orders because in the end are two Ducati riders. So you need to do what you can. You need to do your best every time. But as we see in Thailand in the sprint race, I was behind Pecco and I was not able to overtake, so I cannot overtake. And in the race, on wet race, I tried to overtake him 2 times, and then I fall down trying to push too much. So yeah, let's see. I mean, of course, if you are smart enough, you know what you need to do. It's not necessary to have team orders. Thank you.
Itu dia hasil konferensi pers MotoGP Malaysia 2024. Bagaimana menurut kalian, guys?
So I'ma figure out what else we succeed and then invest all of my time.